When you quit smoking, your body undergoes several positive changes over time, leading to numerous long-term benefits. After seeing this video, your knowledge are boost up for quit smoking and leads a healthy lifestyle. Let's go. Immediate effects of smoking. Within 20 minutes, your blood pressure and heart rate begin to normalize. Within 8 hours, carbon monoxide levels in your blood drop, allowing more oxygen to reach your cells. Short-term benefits. Improved sense of taste and smell. Increased lung function and reduced coughing. Better circulation, leading to warmer hands and feet. Long-term benefits. Reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and cancer. Lowered risk of lung diseases like COPD and emphysema. Improved fertility and reproductive health. Slower aging of the skin and reduced wrinkles. Savings on healthcare costs and improved overall quality of life. Very long-term benefits. Substantially reduced risk of premature death. Reversal of damage to the lungs, reducing the risk of lung cancer. Enhanced ability to engage in physical activities. Improved immune system. Potential to regain years of life expectancy. Quitting smoking is one of the most beneficial decisions you can make for your health, and the longer you stay smoke-free, the greater the rewards for your body and overall well-being. Hope you will quit smoking permanently and ways to a good life. By the way friends, please like and subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell.